This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, now let us proceed. So we will open our Eclipse. Nothing great, guys. We'll see everything practically, no theory for this. So if you remember, guys, we have a project. So the name of project is new string MVC project, and there we had one controller, right? There we had something as sign up controller. Now what I do, I'll create one new controller which will redirect it. Yeah, we'll create one new controller. So simply we'll select the class. Yeah, simply we'll select the class, and let's say I'm going to give a controller name as redirect view controller or redirect controller. Simply I'll say redirect controller. I'll click on finish. I'll click on finish, guys. We'll wait. Yeah, public class redirect controller. Now I want to define this class as a controller, so we have to make use of one annotation, guys. So the name of annotation is nothing but @controller. So let us use it @controller. Now inside this controller, guys, I'm going to define a method which will perform some task of the controller. So let's say public string, and I'll say one, like let's say method one, public string method one. Simply, guys, I'm defining a method, so I'm keeping method one. You can keep whatever name you want, and I'll say return. So currently I don't have anything, so I'll just keep this. I'm going to, guys, I will just give this double quotes. I'll keep the things as a blank null. Yeah. Now after that we will create one more. Okay, let's say. So I'll create a URL for this controller. So I'll say method request mapping. And let's say, guys, request mapping, and I want this controller should be operated by one URL. Yes. So the name itself I'll give one, and I'll give one printing statements is out. Yes, method one. Yeah, this is my first handler. Let's say I'll give there this is my first handler. This is my first handler. Now we will create one more handler here so that we can redirect the things. So I'll say public. I'll say, guys, public, and string again, public string method 2, public string method 2. Again I'll say return, and I'll keep the things as a blank. Yes, and I'll pass here @request mapping, because for this URL also, for this method also, we should have some URL. So for this I'm going to give 2. Yeah, let's say this I'm going to give as a 2. You can keep whatever you want. Again, so south, I'll say this is my second handler. This is my second handler. This is my second handler. That's what. Now we will go for the first one. We will go for the redirect prefix. We will go for the redirect prefix. Now I want, in my case, guys, I'm taking a small example. Now I want whenever user is going to give /1, I should not get this particular, I should not let's say whenever user will use /1, this controller should be redirected to second controller. In the sense, whenever user will use, yes, whenever your user is going to use /1, this controller should be redirected to second controller. Why redirect? Based on some certain condition, if you want, you can pass, and many more things, guys. Yeah, based on some certain condition, whatever you want, you can do it. So currently, I want whenever I use this controller, automatically this controller should redirect us to second controller. So in that case, we have to go for either we can go for the first thing, we can go for second or third. So currently we will go for redirect prefix. So nothing great, guys. We have to make use of redirect prefix in return statement. We have to make use of redirect prefix in return statement. So I'll say redirect. I'll say, guys, redirect, and you have to specify. Yes, redirect, you have to give colon, and then you have to say you want to. Then you have to say, guys, you want to traverse to which controller, which method. So if I want to traverse to method 2, so already for method 2, we have a URL as 2. So I'll give 2, guys. So whenever I call for, whenever I'm going to operate this project with the help of forward/1, then whenever I'll use this, automatically second controller will be called. And let's say the second controller will return some page. Yeah, let's say, guys, the second controller is going to return some page. So let's say second controller will return your contact page. Yeah, already, guys, we have something as, let me check what is the name. Already we have a view as contact. Okay, not contact here, it was URL, right? It is sign up. Sign up. So guys, see here now. See here, basically what's happening here. Whenever we will fire this one forward/1, it will be redirected to this controller. Now what this controller is returning? It is returning something as sign up page. It is returning what, guys? It is returning sign up page. So this one will return to controller and 2 is going to return the sign up page. Now let us execute and we'll see whether it is working or not. Yes, because this concept is very important, guys, wherever you will develop any application. Because if you are going to get some error page, we have to redirect it, right? We have to redirect it. So in that case, you will go for this particular concept itself. Fine. So let's say, guys. Okay, this is my MVC test. Okay, which is the project new Spring MVC, right? Yeah, new Spring MVC. So I'll just execute this and I'll fire forward/1. Let's see what is going to happen. So run on server. So we need to wait for a few seconds. Yeah, we need to wait for a few seconds. Next, finish. So whenever I will fire one, automatically two second controller will be called, and second controller will call your signup.jsp. Just wait for a few seconds. What's happening? Something fishy here. Next, finish. So I'm getting some error, guys. Just a second. Okay, all of you guys until that execute this. Yeah, all of you guys until execute this. Yeah, do it in your system, guys. Create a new controller and do it. Yes, let us see. Because my Apache Tomcat started working. Yeah. So sometimes if it is not working, guys, then clean your project. Yeah, you need to clean your project. So you can go to project and here you will get option as clean. Yeah, here you will get option as clean. So just follow this and your Tomcat will work fine. Fine, let us see. Let us see. Yeah, so currently obviously guys I'll get an error. Yeah, obviously I'll get an error. Now all of you observe guys, I will fire. Yeah, I will use the first URL. I'll say forward slash 1, but automatically you will get URL as 2, and because we are redirecting it, right? So let us try now. So forward slash 1, forward slash 1. I'll hit enter. Now see all of you. It's taking some time, that's okay. Yes. So guys, what you can see here, now I'll execute once again. Yeah, I'll just refresh this. I'll go back, I'll refresh this. Yeah, so you can see in console, my project is refreshing now. Yeah, my project has been refreshed in console as well. So here what I'll do guys, I'll say 1. Yeah, I'll say 1. If I'll fire 1 guys, you can see in the console you will get this is my first handler, then second handler, because first handler is going to call second handler and second handler will call your JSP page, that is signup.js. Let me execute again. You can see guys, this is my first handler, second handler, and then it has called JSP. Now, certainly we have deployed the complete thing, right? You can perform sign up as well. You can perform guys, sign up as well, sign up as well. So you can see guys, like this, you can redirect your project. See the console. So we have some other controller. We are using something else, but whatever operation we were able to perform yesterday, even today we are able to do it guys. So this is nothing but the redirecting concept. So currently we have used redirect preview. Yeah. Currently guys, we have used redirect suffix, not preview suffix. So all of you execute this first. Yeah, all of you do it fast guys, then we'll go for next time. This is a small concept we have to go through. So guys, done all of you? Yeah, all of you are getting guys. If you're firing one, yeah, automatically it is taking us to 2, and second handler is calling what guys? It is calling your sign up, and we are able to sign up guys. Yeah, all of you are able to do that guys. Okay, okay, it is incomplete because we have used mail, right? Yeah. Yes, everyone. Okay, that's right. So this is a, yeah. So this is the first way, guys. We have used redirect prefix. This is the first way, guys. We have used redirect prefix. Similarly, we can go for guys second way. Similarly, guys, I can go for second way as well. So let me do copy paste so that whenever you want code, I can give you. Yeah. So yeah, I know you will execute, but sometimes if you need, I should give you, right? So I'll do copy paste, but this time I will not use redirect prefix. Yes, this time I'm not going to use redirect prefix. Otherwise, everything will be same, guys. Everything will be same. So now I'll use redirect prefix. So in case of redirect prefix, guys, what we have to do in the sense, first we have to create the object. Yes, first we have to create the object of redirect. Yeah, first we have to create the object and then we have to proceed. So we will create the object of redirect view. We will say redirect view and then control space redirect view, then control space We'll wait for a few seconds until, yeah. And we have to import from package. So the package name will be, you are getting guys, yeah. So the package name will be org spring framework.web.servlet.a. And then we will create an object. Simply we are going to create an object guys, and we will say new, and we'll store in some variable. We will store in some variable guys, assigned to local variable. Yes. Now with the help of this variable, so guys, if you remember in last time, so yes, for the last case guys, we have not created the object. We have not created the object. We are passing the second URL in the return. Let's say if you want to transfer, if you want to move from method 1 to method 2, you can pass in redirect. But here we can't do that. Here we cannot use, because since we have created the object, so first we have to return the object guys. First we have to return the object. So even the return type will be changed here. Even we have to change the return type. So I'll say guys, public redirect view, because yeah, the return type will be redirect view itself. So the public redirect view method 1. So this changes we have to do. And in return statement guys, in return statement we have to pass this object reference. We have to pass this object reference. So hold on, it's throwing an error. Okay, so this is a variable, right? So no need to pass in double quotes. Correct. Variable should not be passed. String should be passed in double quotes. So simply you have to say redirect, return, redirect. But guys, now you can see currently we have created the object. Yes, guys, currently we have created the object. Yes, and this we are returning the object, guys. We have created the object, we are returning the object. Now where to pass this second URL guys? Now where to pass that I want to traverse from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and so many things. Now where I should pass the URL, where I need to traverse, where I need to transmit my data. Yeah. So where to pass this guys, where I need to redirect the data, where I should pass, because we can't pass in return now, because in return we pass the class reference. We passed guys class reference. So where to pass, any guess? Yes guys, where to pass, any guess? Okay. No idea guys?
In new
Uh,
redirect objects are there, we have to pass.
no. We can't pass there. So in this case guys, we have to make use of one method. Whenever you are going to make use of redirect view, so we have to make use of a method. So the method name will be set URL. Method name guys will be set URL. In last case, we are passing in return keyword, but this time we have to return the object as well. So we can't do. So we have to make use of one method here. Basically, we have to make use of one method. So we will say redirect view dot, and we have multiple methods guys, but currently I'll go for set URL. We will go for set URL, and we have to specify here which URL you want to go. If you want to go to www.facebook.com, you can pass here. If you want to go to www.instagram.com, you can pass here. So you can pass any URL here. In case of redirect prefix, you can't pass, but in case of this, you can pass any URL guys. So currently I want to go for second control. Yes. So in double quotes, I'll say /2. In double quotes guys, I'll say /2. So even it will perform same operation guys, whatever we were able to achieve last time. Yes, even it will perform same operation. So let me check in the console. Let us check the console whether my project has been reloaded or not. Yes, so I hope it has been reloaded. Yeah, it has been reloaded guys. So now we'll go back, we'll refresh it once. and we will see console as well. So just we will go back, go back. Okay, so here I'll fire 1. The time I'll fire 1, guys, automatically it will go to 2 second controller, and second controller will call the signup.jsp. Let us see 1. So see the console. So first you will get in console. This is my first handler. Next you will get this is my second handler, and you will get a sign up page in the view. Let us wait and watch. So first we got, okay, this is my first handler. You can see. Just wait now. This is my first handler. Okay, then why second handler is not printed? Okay, something mistake, something issue, guys. Okay, we did some mistake. Let's see. Let us go back to program. See, here we got the URL as 2, but we are not getting the sign in thing. We are not getting the sign up thing.
Sir, in set URL, we have to pass only 2, not forward slash that.
Okay. Is it? Okay, let's see.
Yeah, yes,
So
sir.
guys, that's okay. So guys, that's what I said. We have 2 types of URL. We have one relative URL and absolute URL. So if I'll go to Google and if I'll search, you will get, guys, this URL is of 2 types. Types of URL. Yes, you will get, guys, types of URL. We have basically 2 types. Yes, so you can see we have absolute URL and we have relative URL. So whenever you are going to deal with, now you can see the different types as well, and what are like functionality as well, you can just go through. Yes, you can go through the functionality as well. When you have to go for relative URL and when you have to go for this particular URL. So you can see types of URL. So whenever you want to work with any domain, guys, yeah, whenever you want to work with any domain, then you will give forward slash. But if you are not going to work with any domain, no need to give forward slash, guys. So basically this URL is of 2 types, so you can just go through. Yeah, so for time being, guys, what I'll do, I'll go with, I will not use here 2. Okay, just wait. Yeah, we will go for here, you can say your relative URL, not absolute. If you are passing forward slash, it is absolute. So currently we'll go for relative. Fine, let's see, guys. Let's see, where's my project? Yes. So again, we'll execute it once and see the console as well, guys, carefully. One second. Yeah. See the console as well. Yeah, so here I'm going to fire 1. Okay, before that, let me refresh the project, guys. Yeah. If you will go for relative URL, automatically your project name will go. Yeah. So 1. I'll hit enter. So let's see the console. Observe the console, guys. Observe the console. So first it will call, this is my first handler, second handler, then signup.js. Yeah, you can see, guys, we got these things. Now again, if I'll click on the sign up, it will take care of everything. It will process the data and data will be stored in database. Now you can see. Now So now we learn two types, guys. Yeah, now we learn two types. All of you, I want you to execute these two things, guys. Yeah, I want you to execute the second as well. So here you just pass relative URL. Relative URL. So when you will go for relative URL in the sense, guys, whenever you want to traverse from one controller to another controller, or whenever you want to traverse from one view to controller, yes, one view to controller will go for relative. Yes, otherwise we'll go for absolute. Yes, guys, just go to just complete this program. Make it fast, guys. Done both of you, Chetan and Sudha. So fine, guys. Now we will go back to your this signup.form page. We'll go back to your signup.form page, and what I do, guys, I will not enter anything. Yes, I will not enter anything, and I will click on sign up. Yes, I will not enter, guys, anything, and I'll click on sign up. Now in this case, what will happen, guys? Yes, I will not enter any data, and I'll click on sign up. In this case, what will happen?
We will get the success page, sir.
Yeah, we will get what? We'll get the success page, right?
Success page.
But we will get the success. But hold on, we are not getting some headings here. We are not getting some headings. Okay, okay, fine, fine. Because okay, we'll go to success page. Yeah, just a second. Let me re-execute, rerun the application, rerun the project. Okay, so I'll just close this. I'll terminate the server. I'll stop. I'll clear the console. I'll clear the console, guys, and I'll execute it again, because sometimes the data will be stored in cache memory of your Eclipse. I don't want that problem. Yeah, so just a second, just a second. Yeah, now my console is clear. Now I'll execute this again. So these two redirect things we learned, right? So now we will see next what to do. So right click. Guys, if your system is slow like this, yeah, if your system is slow, like my system, yes, so if it is slow, you need to wait like me itself. So next, finish. So guys, you can see the URL first will get localhost colon port number, then your project, and then whatever URL or like handler name you are going to give. Yes. So again, I'll fire guys one. Again, I'm going to fire here one. It will take us to two and then sign up. Now guys, let's say if I'm going to give here, yes, if I'm giving here empty page, and if I'll click on sign up, if I'll click on sign up guys, then it will take us to success page. Yes, if I'll click on sign up guys, you can see everything is null, but this ID is auto generated. This ID guys, it is auto generated, so ID is 12. So everything is null, but still like we got success page. Now whenever I'm not entering anything, let's say I will not enter anything, and if I click on sign up, I should get back the sign up page again. Yeah, let's say I like every field is empty. Now, if I'm going to give the if I'm giving the field as empty, and if I click on sign up, I should not get guys what I should not get this success page. I should get the same page again. I should get this same page sign up page again. And if you want, you can print a message as well that please fill the credentials. Yeah, but if I'm going to give guys this empty field, then it should not take us to success page. It should not take us to success page. Again, if I click on sign up, I should get the sign up page itself. I should get guys sign up page itself. So how to do guys? Again, can I say we have to redirect the sign up page again? Yes, if I'll click on sign up, if the data is not present, and if I'll click on sign up button, again the project or IUC container should redirect us to sign up page only. Yes, so in that case also what we have to do guys, we have to make use of Yes, we have to make use of this redirect concept. So what we will do, we will go back to our program. So who is handling guys the sign up dot which controller? Yes, which controller guys it is handling sign up dot JSP page? Yes, which controller guys it is going to handle sign up dot JSP page?
Sign up controller.
Sign up controller. So we'll go back to sign up controller, and here we have to write the redirect code. Yes, with the help of sign up controller itself, we have to redirect the page back to sign up itself whenever user is not giving any value. Yes, so where to do guys? So we will go for handle form. Yes, we will go for handle form. Yes, this is my handle form guys, and here itself we will check one condition. Here itself guys, we will check one condition. We will say if, we will say guys if, and we will pass here user. We will say if user dot, okay, somewhere else. Yeah, so we'll pass here if user dot, one second. We will pass here guys if user dot. So basically we'll fetch the username. Let's say in this field guys, we have username, email ID and password. If username is not going to provide any username, I should get redirected to sign up page again. So what I'll do, I'll say here if user dot, oh just a second, this Java console is disturbing. If user dot, what is user guys? You can see it is a reference of user class. So I'll say if user dot, if user dot get user. So what I'll do guys, I'll say if user dot get username. I'll fetch the username and I'll check whether it is empty or what. Yes, I'll fetch the username and I'll check whether it is empty or what. So I'll say if user dot get username dot, and here we can go for a function of string that is empty. Yes, so whenever user is going to pass username as empty, so we will check, we will verify from this model class, from this model object. If it is empty, we will return back the sign up. We will return back guys sign up. So if everything is successful, if user will insert the data, I will return guys success. But if user is not going to enter here username, if it is empty, so I will return the same page again. So I'll say return. I'll say guys return sign up. I'll say guys return sign up. Sign up, return sign up. So if user is not going to provide username, I'll get back the same page again until user will not provide us the valid name, or user will not provide any username, we will not go to success.jsp page. Fine, let us refresh the project and see whether it is working or not. Yes, let us refresh this project and see whether it is working or not. So we'll see the console as well and this as well. So we will open the console. Let me clear the console guys. So right click, clear. Now console is not having anything. Now this console is empty guys. Console is empty. Okay, fine. So this time guys, what I do, okay, fine, let it be. This time I will not pass any username. Before that, let me refresh my project. Yeah, let me refresh my project. So you will get something on the console. Just wait until it is not reloaded. Yeah, this is my first handler. Yes, this is my first handler we got guys. Now, if I'll click on, I will not give username this time. I will not give username and I'll click on sign up. Okay. Something mistake guys, we did again. Something mistake. Just will wait guys, just will wait. Yeah, we are getting this only, but why like this? But yeah. So guys, I will not give. Okay, let me go back to Eclipse once and we'll see what we got in console. Yeah, let's see what we are getting in console. Yeah, fine. So once again guys, I'll just refresh it off. Once again, I'll just refresh. This time I'll give 1. This time I'll give 1. So automatically we'll go back to console, we'll see. So you can see guys, this is my first handler. It hasn't printed previously, and we got this is my second handler. Now I will not provide username. Now guys, I'm not going to provide username. If I not provide username, then we will not get success page here. If we will not provide username guys, we will not get success page at all. I'll click on sign up. You can see guys, until I'm not providing any, until I'm not providing any guys, yes, until I'm not providing any username, it is taking us back to same page. You can see it is taking us back to same thing. Okay, so once it is provided, since it's the auto field here, it is taking it. So let's say I will not provide username and I'll click on sign up. So I'll get back the same page. I'll get back the same page. Once I'll provide, I'm getting the new page. Yes, but if I'm not going to provide here, you can see if I'm not going to provide, if I click on sign up, then I'm getting the same page. So like this guys, even you can redirect to the same page based on some condition. Based on some condition guys, you can redirect the same page. So just what you have to do guys, inside the controller, Yes, inside the controller, guys, what you have to do, you have to check the condition and you have to return the. Yes, I hope, guys, whatever I try to explain, it's clear. So first we saw, yeah, first we saw redirect. Yeah. So guys, first we saw redirect prefix, and then we saw this particular thing, redirect view. So by using these two, we can redirect our page. Yes, by using these two, guys, we can redirect the page. So all of you try these things, guys. If you have doubt, you can ask. If it is clear, well and good. But if you have doubt, you can ask me. Yeah, do it fast, guys. Complete this, and you see, you can. So currently, I did for username. Similarly, you can do for mail also. Yes, similarly, guys, you can do for mail also. So you can use your AND operator, and you can say user dot get email dot is empty. Yes, similarly, you can do for password also, and so many things. You can check the condition. Until and unless we will not fill the details, we will get the same page. Yes. So guys, all of you try this and let me know you are getting the right output or not.
Sir, if we want to give message for the user that please provide the username, then how to do that?
Yes. So for that we have to go for Spring Library. We'll do it. That we will learn once we will do tomorrow. We will do form validation, right? So from tomorrow we will do it. How to print the error message on the web. That part we'll learn in validation. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So guys, done. So guys, similarly, you can do many more things here. Yeah, you can call the all the methods of your string. Yeah, let's say if you want to verify that username should start with uppercase, username should start with lowercase. So these many things, if you want to verify, you can see you have set of methods. You have multiple set of methods, guys. Yeah, if you want that particular index, you should have this character. If you want, if we have something as mail id should contain one at the rate. So you can do this validation by using these methods. So these remaining things, guys, try by yourself. Even we will learn the validation, don't worry. Yeah, even guys will learn the validation. So now guys, I hope all of you have completed. So we learned two types of redirecting. First was prefix, first was redirect prefix, sorry, and second was nothing but your redirect view. Yeah, second was redirect view and first was redirect prefix. Now we have to go and we have to learn the first type. Yeah, so second and third type, guys, we have learned. Even we have to see how we can make use of response redirect. How we can make use of, guys, response redirect. So what I'll do, guys, let me close these things. Let me close these things, guys. Okay, I will keep redirect controller as it is. I'll close this. Yeah, I'll just close this. Now currently we are working with new spring MVC project. Yes, so now if I execute this, guys, if I execute this, then I will get an error. Yes, I'm getting something as 404 error, guys. Resource not found. Yes, I'm getting, guys, 404 error, resource not found. Yes, let us execute and see it once. Let us execute and see it once, guys. Yeah, so currently we'll get some error, guys. But we don't want error. The time I execute automatically, I want this particular controller should be called. I want this particular method of the controller should be called. I don't want error because each time I can't fire /1, /2, /form. I want to redirect that index page as well. Yes, now you can see, guys, we are getting 404. And what is the error? You can see the origin server does not find a current representation. Yes, so there is no index page itself. So it is throwing an error. So if I fire, guys, 1, if I fire here 1, I will get the output. Okay. So something, just a second. Yeah, if I fire here 1, I'm getting the output. Okay, but again, something wrong here. Yeah. If I'm firing here 1, everything is fine, right? I'm firing here 1, then I should get 2, right? But what suddenly I'm getting? 1. Previously it was working, guys, right? Yeah, previously it was working. But now what happened, guys? Let us see. Let us see. I'm getting first handler. It is not taking us to 2. Not taking us to 2. It is not taking us to 2. Okay, no problem. We'll see. We'll execute this again, guys. We'll execute this again. Run as, run on server. Next, finish. We'll wait for a few seconds. Okay, I close this. Fine, no problem at all. I'll rerun one last time. Oh God. Run on server. Next, finish. Yeah, now we'll wait again. So guys, we are getting an error. Yes. Now if I fire one, it is taking us to two, and then we are getting sign up page. Yes, 1, 2, and then we are getting sign up page. But I don't want to pass this one always. The time I'll execute the program, the time I'll start my application, I should get the sign up page. I should get the sign up page, guys. Yes, I should get the sign up page. So guys, if you remember, whenever we will create a project, guys, by default, yes, by default in SRC, web apps, we will get a index.js. Yes, did you observe, guys? Whenever we will create a project, by default we will get here index.js page by default. But in our case, we have deleted that file. So first, what I do, in web apps folder, we will create a view. So we will hit Control N, we'll say JSP. We'll select here JSP file, and let's say JSP file, and here we will give, guys, index, or I can give file landing page, anything you can give. .jsp, next, finish. So you can see, guys, we have created a JSP. Yes, we have created a JSP. So nose is out here. Yeah. So we have to say h1, and I'll say hello. This is my project landing page. This is my project landing page. I'll go back to your project landing page. I'll go back to your Chrome. I'll refresh this. Yeah, let me refresh this. Okay, so my Tomcat has been stopped. No, it has not been stopped. Fine, we will re-execute the program. And now this time you see what's happening. This time you see what's happening now. We are getting 404 error, or we are getting something else. Finish. Okay, we are getting the same error. We should not get that, guys. We should not get that. Just a second. Right click, run on server. Next. Finish. Let's see now. This time what we are getting. We are getting error or something message on the screen. We'll wait, no other choice. Okay, again we got new project error itself. Okay, so I need to change the file name or what, guys? Yeah, I need to change the file name or what? Just a second, just a second. So I should give this index only. Rename, I'll change it to index.jsp itself. Index.jsp. Okay. Fine, let's see, guys. Okay. Web apps. Web apps. Okay, just a second. Okay. So what we can do? Yeah. Let's say, guys, yeah, we have renamed the file to index.jsp so that index.jsp is present inside web apps folder. It is present inside web apps folder. Now, let me clear the console. Yeah, so basically I'll execute this program once again. I'll execute this application, guys, once again. Let's see this time what we are getting, guys. Just wait now. Yes. Okay. So guys, basically we can't give any other name. Yeah, we cannot give any other name. So the default name should be index.jsp. If there is index.jsp, then automatically IOC container, or you can say guys, servlet container can read the file. Yes. So in this case, you can see we are not getting whatever is present in this index.jsp. We are getting. Hello, this is my landing page. So let's say I'll change it something. So I'll say body bg color equals to yellow. Yeah, bg color equals to yellow. And I'll say welcome to. I'll say guys, welcome to my home landing page. Welcome to my home page. Home page. Now for time being, I'm saying guys, welcome to home page. I want to print this in a center, so I'll say center tag. I'll use center tag, and I'll close this at last. Yeah. So let us refresh the project once. Let us refresh the project. We'll see what's happening. You can see guys what we got in index.jsp. We got welcome to my home.jsp, my home page. Now whenever you will execute, guys, yeah, whenever you will execute this project, yeah, whenever, now let's say again, if you'll execute this project, you will not get 404 error. Yes, if you'll execute this, you will not get 400 error or 404. Always your welcome file will be printed. Always this welcome file will be printed. But I don't want this welcome file. Now I don't want this welcome file. I want, yeah, I don't want this welcome file. So whenever, let's say, whenever we will execute this project, whenever we will start this project, we should get, yeah, whenever we will start this project, we should get what, guys? We should get sign up. Yes, whenever we will start this project, guys, we should get what? Sign up now. I should not get this welcome page now. I don't want this welcome page at all. I don't want welcome to my home page. I want sign up form, because each time I can't fire, yes, each time I can't fire the queries like forward slash I can't write. I want sign up page. So guys, what we will do in index page itself, you have to make some changes. In index page itself, guys, you have to make some changes. So you will delete everything from the index page. Yeah, you will delete everything. Now if you will refresh, guys, let's see what's happening. Yeah, it is not. Yeah, okay, fine. So again we have the style services, just forget that. Now, okay, if I'll execute this, let's see what's happening now. Let's see, finish. Yeah, we are getting some error. Yeah, because file is present, but there is no tag here. Yeah, file is present, but there is no tag. Now whenever I will execute this project, I want automatically, yes, whenever I'll execute this project, guys, I want automatically the sign up should open. Automatically, guys, the signup.jsp should open, not index.jsp. Yes, we should get what, guys? Signup.jsp, not index.jsp. So nothing great, guys. We have to go for first type of direct. We have not success, guys. Sign up. Yeah, we have to go for first type of direct, that is your servlet response one, response redirecting. So nothing great, guys. What you have to do, you have to pass a form action. Yeah, what is a form action here, guys? What is a form action? It is process, right? It is process. So in this index.jsp, you will make use of scripting tag. You will make use of scripting tag. You will say, okay, you will close this, you will close this. Yeah, so this is your scripting tag. If you don't want this index.jsp, so you will delete everything, you will make use of scripting tag. And currently I'm going for the first type. Yes, currently I'm going for the first type, that is, I want, once I'll execute the project, I should get signup.jsp. So I'll go for response type redirect. So I'll say here, guys, I'll say here response. What is request and response, guys? You know, servlet request object and servlet response object. So I'll say response. Okay, RES, right? Spelling mistake is there. So I'll say response dot. We have to make use of one method here. Now we have to make use of one method. So the main name of method is send redirect. We have to make use of a method, guys. Send redirect. And we have to pass the form action here. Whichever form you want to open by default, you have to pass here form action. So I want to open which page, guys? I want to open process. Yeah, so I'll pass here process. So this is nothing but your first type of redirect, guys. This is your first type of redirect. So we discussed all the type of redirect, guys. Yeah. Okay, just a second. Okay, it's not going to work in between. But not a big deal. So we'll write at last. Yeah, we will say this is nothing but your response. Servlet response type redirect. Servlet response type redirect. Servlet response, guys, type redirect. Now, if whenever I'll execute this, automatically I will get sign up, guys. I will not get 400 and no need to fire forward slash controller name and all. Automatically I'll get what? Sign up. Now, let's see. Can I pass here? Yeah. Can I pass here controller URL? Let us try, guys. Yes, can I pass here controller URL as well? So the first controller URL is 1. If you remember, guys, can I pass here 1? Can I pass here 1? Let us try this first. Then we'll go for processing. Guys. So I'll clear the console. I'll execute once again, guys, so that you should not have doubts or you are showing the different same output. Yeah. So I'll just execute it once again and let's see whether we are get what we are getting. Yes, we'll execute this, run on server. We might get an error. We'll see. Finish. So this is the third type of redirect, guys. We are learning. Let's see whether it is working or not. Let us wait for a few more seconds. It's loading. Yeah, our server is down, right? So guys, you can see. Now no need to fire what? No need to fire any URL. No need to fire, guys, any URL at all. Yes, no need to fire any URL. So just I'm executing my project. And here what we passed, guys, 1. Yes, here what I passed 1. So 1 is going to redirect to 2. Yes, 2 is redirecting to contact. And if you will give all the data, it will redirect to your success.jsp. Yes, so you can see, guys, we are redirecting what? 1. So 1 will be redirected to 2, and you can see in the console as well. This is my first controller, this is my second controller. Yes, now this 2 is redirecting to, yes, this 2 is redirecting to your contact. So basically, guys, whenever you will execute, this particular project, basically your servlet container will search. Servlet container, guys, it is going to search your index.jsp. So now the servlet container will enter to index.jsp. But in index.jsp, what we have used? Yes, we have used something redirecting thing. Yeah, so we are using servlet response redirect. So we have used response.send redirect. So once servlet container will enter into index.jsp, then servlet container will get to know the complete story that user is trying to redirect this index.jsp to one controller. Yes. Now one controller is trying to redirect to two controller, and this two controller is returning the your signup.jsp, and once data is filled on signup.jsp, we are getting success.jsp. So this is the complete story, guys, is happening. So whenever guys we will execute the program, so basically here servlet container, or you can say JEE container, anything is fine, guys. Yeah, so servlet container, JEE container will search what? Your index.jsp. If servlet container will not get index.jsp, then it is going to throw 404 error. And you know, guys, what is 404 error? Resource not found. In case of servlet, I told you. But once servlet container will get index.jsp, then this index.jsp will be loaded. But here what we did, guys, we are redirecting this index.jsp to one controller. So now servlet container will get to know the complete story. and indirectly this, instead of index.jsp, one controller will open. Now indirectly this one controller is going to call two, and this two controller will return your signup.jsp page, and once you will fill the data you will get success page. Now here in the signup.jsp guys, again we did some validation, right? Again we did some validation. If you are not going to pass the data, it will return you same page. It will return you guys same page. Now have a look, let us see that as well. Yes, so I'm not going to give data sign up. Yes, again this time I gave username, but if you remember guys, even I have validated what? Even I have validated email. So if I'll give username and email, and if we are passing some data, then only we'll get success. You can see guys, now we got success. So like this complete story is going to happen. I hope guys, whatever I tried to explain, this complete 1.5 hours we discussed only redirect, because this is very important whenever you will go for any project. This is the very important concept, how we can redirect your Spring MVC. So we learned in all three ways. First was your response thing, second one was your redirect preview, and then redirect prefix. So these things, everything we have learned one by one. I hope you got all the concept guys, and even execute this part response thing. If you have any doubt you can ask. Yes, execute this guys. If you have any doubt you can ask, you can ping me in chat box. Yes, do it fast guys. This is index.jsp itself, Aishwarya. Yeah, I opened index.jsp only. Only this much you have to write. Just one line of code. From index.jsp, it will redirect to your controller. Yeah, it will redirect to your controller here. Yes. And from this, okay, so I'm using redirect view this, yes. So from this method, it will go to this method, and this method is going to call your sign up. So this is your sign up. And the sign up will return what? Success. So one by one is going to happen. So first index.jsp, it will call redirect controller, this particular method. This will be redirected to here, and then it will redirect it to signup.jsp, and signup.jsp, after filling all the data, it will go to success. Yes. Done all of you guys? Any doubt up to here? Is it clear? So guys, shall we continue or you want to stop here itself? Yeah, because if I'll go for next concept, I need minimum 1 hour. Yes. So you want me to continue or you want me to stop here? Tell me. So guys, shall we do in tomorrow's class? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, fine. So tomorrow itself we will continue. So guys, whatever form I gave, just complete it off. Yes, tomorrow we will extend the class might be for 3 hours. Okay. So whatever concept I planned, I'll complete it off by tomorrow itself. That form thing, how to handle complex form, and then one small thing we will design. Yeah. So whatever I said in last class, guys, complete that form with the help of Bootstrap. Yeah, it should be ready, guys. First, I'll check that, then only we'll proceed. Fine, guys. Then we'll proceed in tomorrow's class. Complete the things, go through. If you have doubt, you can ask in next class, guys. Fine, then. We'll end this session here, sir. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.